Oh, spaghetti, yo. Boom. I told you guys. I told you. I says, boy, oh boy, do I have a surprise for you. I said, the next time I wear my chef jacket, I am going to cook up a storm. Okay? Now, you must admit, that is a very unique and different way of preparing spaghetti. I couldn't say it was spaghetti and meatballs. I couldn't say it was spaghetti and meat sauce, but I did say it was going to be untraditional and it was going to be something new. And I said that most likely, almost undoubtedly, it was going to knock your socks off. Where's my socks? Where's my socks? Yes, yes. Um, mm, mm, mm. That meal tastes delicious, right? It was fun making it. I got a little nervous, right? Because I hadn't made it that many times, but wow. You know, a phenomenal dish. Tastes delicious. I mean, every bite, flavor, the flavors. You know, sometimes you can talk about the flavors, but to really, I can talk about the flavors and let you know how good it is to me. But until you actually taste it yourself, you won't really know. So take my word for it, but then kind of don't take my word for it because I want you guys to kind of make it yourself. To make it yourself. So following this video, I'll be actually eating that meal. Oh, you guys, preparing, going out, getting the ingredients to make the meals. I love it. Preparing the ingredients that's going to consist of the meal. I like it. Watching other people enjoy the meals, watching other people's faces and expressions, letting me know that they enjoy the meals that I create. Priceless. Priceless. I'm Roderick Calhoun. It's a shelter in place, our cooking space. And as always, I look forward to seeing you guys in your kitchen making wonderful memories real soon. Thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye, you guys.